Hey YouTube, it's your girl lasheavibez coming into you with another exciting video. And I'm so excited for this particular video for so many reasons and even personal reasons. Taliah Waajid Natural Hair and Healthy Lifestyle event is happening this year. If you followed the channel, it's been a while. I attended my first World Natural Hair Show in 2019, and then C19 hit, so everything else was either canceled or postponed or pushed back. But this year the show is going down and I could not be happier. So what I decided to do is I'm going to be giving one of my existing subscribers a ticket. This is not a sponsored video. This is something that I've decided to do. I'm going to be sponsoring one of my subscribers. You have to be an existing subscriber, and I'll go over the details of the giveaway as we go along in the video. Gifting one of my subscribers an expo ticket either for day 1 or day 2, and the dates of the event. The event is Saturday, April 23rd. The second date is Sunday, April the 24th. So it's a 2-day event. I will be sponsoring the winner one of the days, so you can either choose on Saturday or either on Sunday. The ticket that I will be sponsoring will give you access to the workshops and also the exhibit for shopping. I'm going to share with you a video. I did a video in 2019, my first experience where I gave tips like that I'm going to share with you to watch if you've never even heard of or ever been to the Taliah Waajid World Natural Hair Care Show here in Atlanta, Georgia. I will leave a link below, and I'll list a couple. I'm going to share with you a couple clips that really will highlight the event and my personal experiences. YouTube, it's your girl lasheavibez, and guess what?
Yeah, this goes out to all the beautiful women in the world. Through the world, women, you beautiful. From a single strand of hair on down to the cuticle. Women, you beautiful. From sunrise to moonlight, oh, you oh so durable. Women, you beautiful. And just the fact you give life makes it.
From the Taliah Waajid World Natural Hair Care event that I attended on yesterday, Saturday. It was just a dream come true for me. I had actually been wanting to attend that show since I started the channel 2010. So now I live in Atlanta because the show's in Atlanta for 2 days. Took my son with me. He's 4 years old, and when we first got there, the energy, the vibes was just amazing. Entering the venue, my first stop was the Cream of Nature booth. The event is very child friendly. They had a really cute section set up where they had like the bouncers and
it was nice. I'm about to show you what I got.
jumping bean, and they even had a little crawl, like a crawl mountain. You can crawl. Other kids were able to crawl. You had to sign your child in. They put the sticker with your child's name and number and put the number on you. And why I am so excited for this event, I will also share with you Taliah Waajid did a video about she has 2 videos up right now. I'll leave the link to both of her videos above in the cards and also below. If you just want a little bit more detail, this is a family-friendly event. I did take my son with me. The first year, this is also an event where you and your girlfriends can get together. When I say, she mentioned that there's going to be over 300 vendors and booths for you to visit. I mean, it was just phenomenal, especially if you're into just beauty products, healthcare products. They also offer children's products. You can take your husband or your boyfriend with you. They have a men's section where they, you know, do workshops, and there's barbering. I mean, the event is amazing, and it's a family-friendly event for everyone. Performances and product reviews, it's just amazing. And so when C19 hit, I was just out of it, because I was so looking forward to happening in 2020. So, you know, I'm excited. 2 years later, I'm just as excited to be attending this year. I will actually be in attendance on both days, both that Saturday and Sunday. But again, this giveaway is something that I'm doing personally for the subscribers on my channel. So let's get into what you have to do to enter the giveaway. Extremely simple. If you live in Atlanta and or the Atlanta surrounding areas, or you'll be in Atlanta for that weekend, the event is going to be at the Georgia International Convention Center at 2000 Convention Center Concourse in Atlanta, Georgia. You would only, of course, want to enter the giveaway if you're, you know, in Atlanta or the Atlanta surrounding areas, or if you plan to be in Atlanta on that weekend. To be 18 years older or have permissions from your parents to enter this giveaway. You have to be an existing subscriber. If you run across the video, love the content, love my vibe, and decide to subscribe, I greatly appreciate it. But this is going to be, you have to currently already be an existing subscriber to the channel, and make sure that your notification bell is turned on. Thumbs up the video, and also share the video. After you share the video, I want you to leave a comment. This is going to be also on Facebook. So if you're a Facebook friend of mine and you're also subscribed to the channel, you can enter, because I'm going to post this video to my Facebook, on Facebook and or through this YouTube video. So all you're going to do is put enter me hair care line that you want to see at the event. It'd be curls. Will it be Curls Unleashed? Will it be Mael? So you'll just put in the comments of either my YouTube video and or Facebook, enter me, and whatever product line that you're interested in seeing. You know, whatever product line that you would love to see there at the show, just do that. So it's really simple. Thumbs up the video, share the video, put enter me, and whatever product line that you're hoping to see at this year's World Natural Hair Show. I'm going to run this giveaway for about 2 weeks. So the giveaway entries will conclude on Sunday, April the 3rd, and I will announce the winner. The winner will post to my Facebook and also to the community tab here on YouTube on Monday, April the 4th. Looking forward to seeing you. I will be there vlogging. I'll definitely have my camera with me, so I'll be vlogging the event on both days. So looking forward to seeing you, meeting some of you who follow the channel who may be located in Atlanta. I know the people fly from all over to attend this show. So looking forward to seeing some of you and speaking with you and meeting you. And if you enter the giveaway, good luck. And I'll be in touch with the winner. I'll also make sure that I list all links. Make sure that you're following World Natural Hair. It's the Natural Hair Show on Instagram. I'll list their links, and also, so you want to make sure that you're following them on Instagram. And also I would follow Taliah Waajid, their YouTube page here, just so you can keep updates and information on the show. Make sure you know everything's updated, no changes to locations, etc. like that. So I'm so excited, and I hope that you're excited as I am. So go ahead and please be sure to enter, and I'll see you at the show.